This project shows just how versatile the Plungie system is, combining superior quality control with unmatched speed of installation.
Hi, my name's Binney. I'm the General Manager of Business Operations at Yarvo. And today we're here at beautiful Ocean View Road installing 2 Plungie quads along with a pre-built deck. The clients for this project are a couple who are based out of Brisbane, which is 45 minutes east of here. They use this house as their holiday retreat. Their vision for the site was for a hot and cold plunge, along with a great balcony to look at the beautiful Diagula Valley. And today we make that come to life, all in one day, which is a great result for the owners and a great result for us, the Yarvo team.
My name's Adrian Weeding. I'm the Installation Trainings Manager for Plungie. We're out here today at a Yarvo site. We've got 2 of our quad pools going in today, one hot, one cold. And the site is just about prepped. Pools are downstairs, ready to come up. Crane will come up soon and we'll get running. They've built a deck section which is going to bolt to the back of these pools right after we've installed the pools. They've also got all their equipment built into a skid, which will be in place, and the pipes will just be run to that, just making it a really plug and play system with our pools that they already are.